story you are about to see is true. The names have been changed to protect the innocent.
Today on the workbench is this multiple AC outlet. Pretty simple, pretty basic. However, the receptacles, they're all sloppy loose. So we're going to try to open this up and see if we could tighten those down. Let me show you how sloppy they are. Got this adapter. That one felt okay. Still too loose. That one's okay. The ones that have been used a lot are just really loose. So those top three are really loose. The bottom ones are okay, but we're going to tear this apart and we're either going to fix it or we're going to break it. Who's with me? So the first thing, it appears that it's just snapped into place, and we're going to use a screwdriver here to essentially crack it open. It's very plausible that it has been plastic welded or glued. There we go. Let me back out on the camera real quick so we can see a little better. Oh, plastic broke. I told you we're either going to fix this or we're going to break it. And I'm thinking the breaking part is what's going to happen. And that's okay. Not like I don't have many more of these. Whoops. Well, that's not good, is it? But hey, we get our first peek inside. I have a feeling we're going to scrap this when it's all said and done, but we're going to have fun looking inside just the same, if nothing else. I don't know about you, I've not looked inside one of these before. Well, I breached it. There we go. Just like a crab, right? All right. I have a feeling we're just going to break this. Let's see. So that's what it looks like on the inside. They all have their own little home. We can see where it was all glued at. Grab some pliers. That's practically like new. What do you think? We could fix that. That's not a problem. Now we're on fire. Just got to make sure that everything lines up adequately, properly. Okay, I have everything put back into place, and so all we have to do now is to put the cap back on and glue it down. Now before I go with gluing this back down, let's go ahead and test it out and see what it feels like. Yeah, that one sucks. That one's better. You know what it is? I didn't crimp them enough. It doesn't really matter. I'm not going to use this. This was just to see, just to dork around. I've never done this, never tore this thing apart before, so it was all in fun. I would strongly, and I mean strongly, emphasize, don't do this at home. The consequences of failure could be catastrophic. If you suck at this, at a minimum, this won't work. At a maximum, you can burn your house down. Take people along with you. Don't be an idiot. Break free of your hard-earned $5 and go buy a new one. Till next video, be good humans.
We made a sorry attempt at tricking Alicia Keys into going ice fishing.
We could float on my dream shuffler. Them parrots have always jumped on me, and I actually hurt them.
Lingered in the shade of a kind old tree. Throw away your troubles, dream a dream of me. Up a lazy river where the robin soars.